Safety has been part of Volvo's DNA, part of our culture since the very beginning. When our founders began, they realized that it's not so much about trucks, it's about people. So they made a commitment that we hold to today, that everything we do will be based on the measurement of how can this be safer for our drivers and the communities in which they operate. At Volvo Trucks, our goal is someday to be able to say that there are 0 accidents on our highways. That's a noble goal. That's an aggressive goal. One of the innovations that's unique for Volvo and for the industry is that we have a heads-up warning for forward collision alerts. What this does is alert the driver in a very visible way. Studies have shown that when you can give drivers even just 1 additional second of forward warning, you can prevent the risk of forward collisions by more than 90%. If you take a look at rollovers and front-end collision, that's about 2/3 of all commercial vehicle accidents. We have 2 safety technologies, Volvo Enhanced Stability Technology and Volvo Active Driver Assist, that mitigate that 2/3. The Swedish cab impact test is the toughest safety test in the world, and we exceed the standard. There are actually 3 components. In this case, we want impact all on the A-pillar because that really is the weakest part of the truck. The structure of this test is to determine that we can maintain the integrity of that area, and it's all about protecting the driver.
And a barrier test simulates one tractor running into the trailer of another tractor. As you can see, the parts coming off here, that's actually the engine and transmission dropping below the cab so that the assembly does not come back into the cab compartment. So we offer a side airbag seat that will be a curtain between the driver's head and the side of the cab. It basically lowers the HIC value from having a concussion versus being hit with a soccer ball. HIC stands for head injury criteria.
Volvo's new cab is constructed using high-strength steel. This differs from most of our competitors who use aluminum for their cab, sometimes reinforcing key areas with some high-strength steel. We've taken that a step further. We are using high-strength steel for our entire cab. At the end of the day, it's about getting home safely to your family. This is, no doubt, the safest Volvo truck in the world today.